Hi guys, how are you? I really hope you are doing well. In this class, we are going to review a very interesting topic. Today's topic is fractions. My name is Jennifer Arlet Vargas Perez. To begin with, I need your comments. What is a fraction or where is it?
It's a division.
Yes, that's right.
It's a part.
Perfect. Thank you. So now let's see what is a fraction. We can say that it is a part of a whole or dividing whole into different parts. For example, if I have a pizza and I want to give it to 8 people, I will need to cut this pizza in 8 equal parts and each person will get one. Okay? The fractions can be represented the following way with some numbers. The bottom number is called the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator and the line that divides called the dividing line. The numerator, which represents the parts taken from the whole. In the example of the pizza, it is one part for each person. The denominator tells you the parts which we will cut the whole. Going back to the pizza, it was 8 parts. Having this clear, let's see how to draw them or represent them. In this case, I have 1/2, which tells me to divide our figure into equal parts and take or color one of them, and we can see 1/2. Next example, 2/3. We divide the figure in 3 and take 2 parts. We can see 2/3. It is clear? Okay, we continue. Here we can see some examples of the other fractions. We have an integer, a half, a third, a quarter, a 5, a 6, etc. With this, we see that we can express fractions with ordinal numbers. Let's go with some exercise. It'll give you 5 minutes to finish it. Let's review each exercise. We have 3/4. It will appear as now 7/8 look like this, and let's go with the 5/7 where we color 5 parts. In the following section, I propose an online game where we can reinforce this topic, have fun, and above all, reinforce this second language. This is developed on the Quizzes platform and includes instruction in English and Spanish. Let's know the three types of fraction that exist. Number 1. Proper fraction are those in which the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 3/6. Number 2. Improper fraction. There the denominator is less than the numerator. For example, 7/4. Number 3. Mixed fractions are those in which whole numbers are combined with a fraction. They arise from simplifying in improper fraction. For example, 1/2 and 3/8, or 2/2 and 1/4. Let's continue with the exercise. Identify to which classification the following fractions belong. Number 1. 7 is less than 9. Therefore, it's a proper fraction. Number 2. The 3 is greater than 2. Therefore, it is an improper fraction. And number 3, here we have 3 integers and in an addition a fraction. Therefore, it is a mixed fraction. And finally, what kind of fraction is 8/5?
It's an improper fraction.
Correct. And now let's move on the adding fraction. First, we have the addition of fraction with same denominator, which is very simple. We just add the numerator and leave the denominator the same. In this example, we add 3 plus 2, which results in 5. There is also the sum of fraction with different denominator. For this, we need to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction and put in from to get the results. Then we multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction and add it to the results of the first operation. Now we multiply the denominator of both fractions and write it in the bottom here. Finally, we add top part and add the common denominator and we obtain an error. Here we can see other practice exercise where we can observe the previous process in a better way. In the first exercise, we can have 7/16 plus a quarter, which results in 11/16. Then we have 2/3 plus 2/9, which results in 12/13. In this section, I leave you an activity in which you can give feedback on this topic and understanding it more clear. Thank you for viewing this class, for your participation, and I hope you have learned something from this lesson. Thank you very much and see you in next video.